Devour. Okay, this is annoying. I made a slight error here. I didn't think it through, and this is the cost I pay. Ow. Oh, so I wake up and then you put me back to sleep. Yeah, real nice. Okay, now you're gonna get it. Yep. Okay, seriously, this is not funny. Saga. There. Problem solved. And those status ailments are cured after battle. So I am very relieved about that. Now then, let's go in here and a blue wall. And it is, in fact, blue. Not flipping green. Okay. What's down here? Well, an outside area, apparently. Okay. It takes us to this part where the number 3 gate is. And it gives us a great chakra. Okay, fair enough. So now if I have a look at this map here, I think we've actually opened up all the walls we can open here. Got those there done. There's nothing there. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we've done this area now. Manipura is clear of walls. Okay. Zanma. Okay. Saga. Oh, he's immune to it. Okay. No wonder he can use it. Bit annoying, guarantees. I should have really thought this through. There we go, he's dead. Well, we've almost got the skill we need. We've almost learned ingest mana, which would be lovely. And I think we might get it now. Especially if I devour these ones. Okay. Younger on you. Pass and devour. Now, guaranteed, you should have learned ingest mana. And an active cell as well. Sets. Ingest mana. That is going to be so useful. There we go, so we got that skill all set up for us. So now we need to go and sort out all this stuff we've done. We need to go and return to the entrance. The reason I say that, I also have a bunch of cells to sell. Do that very soon, but first, teleport to Maribel Base. Okay, go to Get Mantra. Go to Cielo. We have over 60,000. I can actually now learn this, but I don't think it's necessary for Cielo, because I'm not going to be using him really. So instead, I want him to learn this. Okay, where's Argilla? You've learnt that. Can you now, in all honesty... Oh, you've learnt it already. Okay. Very happy with that. Let's see. Gale's learning that. Surf's learning that. So I gotta give something to Argilla. What can I give you? No, that's no good. What's this? This is... Okay. Alright. Don't need you to have physical skills, to be honest. You're more magic-based anyway. Spell, you can learn those. Don't need that. You know what? We're gonna learn this. It's a lot of money, but it'll be worth it in the end. Right, so we sorted that out. Now there's only one last thing to do for now. That is to just wander around here until the noise in the top left corner becomes max, so I can sell the stuff I have. Hammer! Oh yeah, you're gonna get it now. Take that. Back. Oh, it didn't affect me, that's good. Void elect again, no matter. Go attack the other one. Devour. Pass the turn. Consume. So everyone has devoured something. Ooh, that's quite a bit for Cielo, that's good. So, just gonna do this to get the noise sensor to, max. What? You went first again? Jeez, what is with these enemies' agility? Oh, you're asking for it now. Take this. Take her down. Then if we use you, and then you, we can get a bonus. Oh boy. This might be a lot faster than I thought to get that skill. Okay, Mahama! Okay, they did not, flinch, fight, and go to that again. Okay, no matter, because both of my consumers can totally take them out. Very good. Chilla. Thank you. We're almost at max. It's just the fact these random encounters are getting busy. Oh, critical hit. Lovely. Okay, just one more phase to go. Then I'm gonna get a whole lot of cash. Damna. Pass the turn. Consume. Pass the turn. Devour. Even though Devour's weaker than Consume, guaranteed. We've now learned Dia. So I can actually give that to Cielo for a starter. For what we need, our healing skills. So we're going to need that move. Well, yeah, I think we don't need it much anymore, do we? Ah, there we go. Right, let's go sell some stuff. So, let's see. We have one error cell. And we got 2 active cells. So, bit of change. I also can sell these 2 actually. Wildcard. Yeah, I'm going to sell that. I don't need it. And Bolt Wall will sell that too. So a bit of cash for us. Very nice stuff there. Now, before we go to the next area, let us switch up our flipping mantra for Cielo. Cielo can now learn this. There we go. Aha! Hello there, you guys. Prepare to die. Okay. Always good. Ah, thank you. Oh, you have got AP Divide. You've got AP Divide, but you are not going to learn it because you don't need it. Because I won't be using you after this, because the problem with Cielo is his ailment weakness. That is a serious problem that needs to be sorted. And the only way to sort it out in this game is to not use him. Because a lot of enemies can use ailments, and he'll be a problem. Right, next we want to go to the solid space. Wait. No, we don't. We actually want to go back to our own base. Believe it or not, there are walls here we can get our hands on. Now, if we go this way, a blue wall. And there we go. So let's go this way. We can't get those treasures yet, by the way. That's a bit of a rip-off. Blue wall there. We'll come back to that. Nothing in here. Oh, wrong way. This contains MP noise. One to you and one to you. Give me one more door here. And this gets us. There we go. Let's go back. Go here. Oh. Okay, we can't go that way. Kind of annoying, but what can you do? So let's go this way now. Blue wall again. It is blue, not green. In we go. Go right up here. This contains Great Chakra. Very nice. So, I think that's actually the only wall here, to be honest. So now, I'm honestly thinking I'll go and save the game and call it a day. We still got more walls to open, sadly. Still got a couple more areas to visit. As well as that, I have to say, there's actually a side quest available to us now that I would like to do before we continue the plot. But yeah, I don't have the necessary abilities to go against this boss. So I'm going to go in here and get to the save point first. Very important I do that. Large karma terminal. Store, and there we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, next time we go to the solids area and get ourselves some more treasure. See you guys then.